If you're seeing Epic Games error code 504, don't worry just yet. This error usually means the Epic servers are overloaded, slow to respond, or temporarily unavailable. So in many cases, the fix is simple and quick. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot Epic Games error code 504 step by step, so you can get back into the launcher faster. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful PC and gaming fixes. First, let's start with the quickest fix. Close the Epic Games launcher completely, then open it again. If you're trying to access Epic Games in a browser, just refresh the page using F5. A lot of the time, error 504 clears up after a simple reload because the connection request times out on the first try. If that does not work, the next thing to do is wait a few minutes and try again. Since error 504 often points to a server-side problem, the issue may not be on your device at all. Epic servers can get overloaded during updates, sales, or high traffic periods, so waiting 10 to 15 minutes can make a big difference. While you wait, it's smart to check the official Epic Games server status page. If the login servers or store services are down, you'll know the problem is on Epic's side. In that case, there is nothing you need to change on your computer, and the best fix is simply to wait until their servers recover. Now let's move on to network troubleshooting. Restart your modem or router by unplugging it for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This refreshes your internet connection and can fix temporary routing issues that may be preventing Epic Games from connecting properly. You should also check your connection type. If you are on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you're on Wi-Fi and having trouble, try another network if possible. Sometimes the problem is not the launcher itself, but the network path between your device and Epic's servers. If you are using a VPN, turn it off and try again. VPNs can sometimes cause routing conflicts or delay the connection long enough to trigger a 504 timeout. Disabling the VPN is one of the most important things to test if the launcher keeps failing to load. Next, if the Epic Games launcher window is blank or unresponsive, try opening it from the tray icon in the bottom right corner of the Windows. Right-click the Epic Games icon and see if you can launch your library directly from there. Sometimes the launcher itself is running, but the main window is not loading correctly. If the issue is still happening, clear the Epic Games launcher cache. Corrupted cache files can cause loading problems, slow responses, or timeout errors like 504. To do this, go to the Epic Games directory on your computer and clear the web cache folder. After deleting the cache, reopen the launcher so it can rebuild fresh temporary files. At this point, one of these steps should fix the issue for most users. The most common solutions are refreshing the launcher, waiting for Epic's servers, checking the server status page, restarting your router, and disabling any VPN connection. Those are the fastest and safest things to try first. If the error still appears after all of that, you may want to restart your PC and try again one more time. A full reboot can clear temporary network or launcher glitches that were left running in the background. So to recap, Epic Games error code 504 is usually a gateway timeout caused by server overload or a connection delay, not a permanent issue with your account. Start with the simple fixes first, then move into router, VPN, and cache troubleshooting until the launcher works again. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.